So hi friends, welcome to our channel. So we are going to unbox iQoo Z3 5G, which is released on July 2021. So let's see the box. So it's very cool and attractive. So we have one handset, one charger, one USB cable, and one warranty card, one quick guide, and one SIM eject tool, and one case. So let's unbox. So we have one type C charger cable, one SIM ejector and quick start guide, and one case, transparent case. So this is the phone. Here we have the phone. So we have U0 selfie camera, which is 16 megapixel, and we have side mounted fingerprint, volume button, this is speaker, charging port, 3.5 mm jack, headphone port, and this is mic, and this is SIM slot, and this is sensor. So we have triple camera, primary camera which is 64 megapixel, secondary camera which is 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel for macro view. So this phone which I have is S Black variant, and this is 55 watts charger. So about the version, it is Android version 11, and about the processor is 2.8 GHz and Snapdragon 768G and octa-core processor, and RAM, as I have already told, 8 GB plus 3 GB extended RAM, and ROM is 256 GB. So it's nearly 15 minutes, and this charge is 92%. So it's very quick and fast charging. So it's very good for me, and I like this very much. Talk about the storage. So I have 8 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM variant, and we can extend up to 3 GB also, plus 3 GB the RAM they gave extended, and 256 GB ROM. So there are more variants like 6 GB RAM 128 GB ROM, and 6 GB RAM 256 GB ROM, and 8 GB RAM 256 GB ROM, and 12 GB RAM 256 GB ROM. So I had bought 8 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. So storage also, it's not a problem, it's worth for the price. So it's very good for me. So above the security, we have a side mounted fingerprint and a face and a pattern. Let me just show you. So face and even pattern also I have, and let's unlock. So it's good, and this is new for me actually, this side mounted fingerprint, but it's also very good. I review about the Vivo iQoo Z3 5G. So according to my review, it's very good and fast working, fast charging and everything. So please comment your reviews also in the comment box, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, support and share to everyone.